Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on renaming your SIM cards on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have a phone with two SIM cards, you may get mixed up between them sometimes. By renaming your SIM cards, it makes them easier to recognize. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap SIM cards and mobile networks. Select the SIM card you want to rename. Now tap Edit SIM card name. Enter the new name for your SIM card and then tap OK to save it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.